just dropped it on the ground. Hopefully it's all intact inside. So I ordered this from AliExpress and it came from China. It's a Chinese brand, but the shipping was pretty fast. It arrived from China to Melbourne within 5 days. Impressed with that shipping, and yeah, and to my surprise there's no signs outside this box to say it's fragile or like those this way up signs. And I watched the delivery video of from my camera, and yeah, just delivery driver just dropped it on the ground. Hopefully it's all intact inside, so let's open it and have a look. Hopefully this is the top, so let's have a look. There's a manual in this side, so but I almost cut it. Yeah, this one here. So be careful if you're ordering one of these. It doesn't say which side is which, but yeah, let's open it. What else we can do? Let's open it and find out. It also comes with a cover and also some extra eyepieces, and yeah, I thought these two are extra, but no, it doesn't come with these pieces here. So let's install this one too. That's very easy to install. And this one as well. Really set up everything, so yeah, it looks good. And there's 3 light sources here, one at the bottom, an extra lamp here, and also there's one here as well. So yeah, so this is the unboxing video. So I'll be doing a full review video as well. So if you like these kind of videos, consider subscribing to the channel, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.